student, this is the question GATE 2015, 2 mark. What did the question say? A 6 memory partition of size 200 KB, 400 KB, 600 KB, 500 KB, 300 KB and 250 KB. (200, 400, 600) and this one is 500 and this one is 600 KB. Clear hai? And KB refers to kilobyte. It is mentioned these partition need to be allocated for process. There are 4 process P1, P2, P3, P4 such that size is 357 KB, 210 KB, 468 KB and 491 KB in that order. Means first P1 come, then P2, then P3, then P4, and the best fit algorithm is used. Then which partition not allocate to any process? First, when the P1 comes, then in which allocate will give the name P1, P2, P3, P4. So P1 is 357. According to the best fit, what will the best fit say? Allocate the nearest free hole, yeah, smallest free hole which is sufficient to satisfy the requirement of the process. So 357 is not present in this one. This one is the sufficient because 300 not sufficient, 250 not sufficient. Among the 400, 500 and 600, 357 placed in this one. It means P1. This block is occupied. After that 210 placed in this one, that is P2, means this block is also occupied. This one is done, this one is done. P3, 468, which one is? That is P3, means 500 block is also occupied. Then 491, we have 3 partition right now, 200, 300 and 600. Which one we can allocate? 600. That is P4, this one is occupied. So which one is free? 200 and 300. So 200 and 300 partition are not allocated to any process when we use the best fit algorithm. Clear hai? Here you can see answer solution. There are one partition 200 KB, 400, 600, 500, 300 and this one. You can see here this partition right now not used, not allocated to any process. So the answer is 200 and 300 are not allotted to any process. Clear? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.